guy goes, well, she's about your same size and stature, but she has these big fake tits.
Fluid holler, where am I?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chelsea here. Today I have a special guest. Introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm Julz. Yeah, that's it.
Julz is cool. I'm about to do makeup on her. I've never really done makeup on anyone like after I advanced my skills, because before I used to suck. But hopefully some of my skills will be applied onto her beautiful face.
Yes. And I'm going out tonight,
So
so
she going out.
I better look good.
Let's hope I don't screw you up.
No,
I'm
I think we'll be good.
Okay.
It's alright.
How do you open this? I hope this doesn't turn out to be a mess. Like,
If it does, we can just pretend we're drunk the whole time.
y'all, we've been recording for a minute, like a good
I think
minute.
It's been an hour.
Oh my goodness! I did this on her face, and there's no footage
Well,
of it.
there's just foundation, concealer, and eyebrows.
But
we
she
s-
looks good.
Yeah, of course we look good. She's always looking good.
Yes.
No, I'm just kidding.
I'm so excited. Okay, what do we do next?
I don't know. What do we do next?
We're gonna bronze her face. She has this rich people. The Huda booty. It's. This is not even Huda Beauty. This is Benefit.
Yeah, well, you said Huda first.
This is the Hula bronzer by Benefit. Ooh, okay. I don't know how. Is that enough? I hope so.
Yeah, tap it.
Oh. We're using this Okalon matte palette. Oh,
Ooh, it smells good.
thanks. Is it? Oh. I'm taking this blue color called Filter. I'm using this as a transition shade, I think. So tell me about like a horror story of working at Ulta. Like what? Tell me
Oh my
something
god,
that was.
I have this one experience that I tell everybody about, and it wasn't even that bad. It's just when you're like 16 years old, it's a little bit weird. So I worked at Ulta I started over the holidays, and it was one of my first days working there. And at the time, with a perfume purchase over X amount of dollars, you got a robe for free.
Mhm.
I don't know. People love that shit. And this guy came in and bought a perfume for his wife. Sweetheart, right?
Mhm.
And, you know, it was time to check out. And I was at the register. He came too. I say, oh, you get a free gift of a robe. What size do you need? So it's small, medium, or, you know, large, extra large. It's not, you know, each individual size.
Mhm.
And this guy goes, well, she's about your same size and stature, but she has these big fake tits. Like, I'm obviously like 16, whatever years old.
Why did he say
And why
that?
did he feel the need to be like, oh, she looks like you, but she has big fake tits? And like, he emphasized it. He was like, big tits. You know, use the hand gestures and everything. And I was like, okay. Like, and I just kind of like went over. I was like, we're gonna go with a medium large then. Like, no, the best was when I worked at Bonton. I don't know if you know what Bonton is.
Yeah, I know what Bonchon is.
No, Bonton.
What
It's
is
like
that?
it was like a Boscov's, I guess.
A what?
Boscov's.
What's that?
Okay, I forget that we're not in, you know, Pennsylvania anymore. And I love that job. You know, you're 14 years old. You just, you know, do whatever you can.
You got a job at 14.
Yes, I wanted my One Direction tickets. So my parents told me if I wanted to go to their concert, I had to pay for it myself. I got to see One Direction, and Harry Styles said he loved me.
You individually?
Yeah, because I yelled out to him like that annoying person at the concert when it's quiet that yells out while they're talking.
That's me.
And he was like, I love you too. And I was like, wow. It's the best day of my life.
Fly melodies. Dirty dances.
Ooh. Show it to the camera. Let me see.
Wait, do we have to do this? Mermaid this on my face.
Hell yeah.
Like, I actually love it.
I don't really know how to put lipstick on people. Well, I'm gonna try it.
Let's
I'm
try
gonna
it.
start with like. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the top lip.
Fly melodies. Dirty dances.
If you want to fix it, you should. Yep, you should go. Cool. So, how do you feel about your makeup?
Wait, do I need to put the hair down?
Yeah, let your hair down, girl.
We should like slow mo this.
Bet. Testing.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Julz, for being in this video. I hope you like that little beat or whatever.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I look amazing right now. Not gonna lie.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Follow me on Instagram at lovesamosax and follow Julz as well.
Yeah, I'm at juliana.anastasia.
Yes, I'm gonna put that on the screen, so you guys better follow my mans. Like, she looks great.
Yes.
She's cute.
Aw,
She's
thanks,
cool.
babe.
You're
Thank you.
welcome. Hit her up, and peace and love.